Okay guys, we're here with another one. We unboxing the multifunction grinder, right? See it? Right. We got plans to, you can grind up, let me see. You can grind a bunch of stuff. You see it, all the stuff it can grind, right? So we got the grinder, here we go, boom. Yep. What y'all think, folks? Let me open it up and show y'all what it looks like. What we got? What it came with? Tools. Got a little socket thing. We got two like spring thingies, magnet things. I don't know what that's for. We're gonna read the manual, some more magnet things. Brush. Okay, looks like a care package. Let's see how you open this now. I think you can just open this like that. Flip that like that. Flip this on like that. And then twist. There we go, twist it, because you see the little hooks on the side. Got a little twisty thing. And you got the strainer. It's a sieve, I guess. And then you got the blade. I guess that's what the tool's for, to take the blade off and clean it or whatever. Then you got the red light down here. You got the wires. Cord plugging right there. That's the red handle for that red handle. Looks like it's just a. Yeah, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Coming soon. Flour coming soon. Right, this the bada bing 2,500 grams. Bada bing, say now. Whatever that word say. You might have better luck reading that than me. All right, stay tuned. Flour coming soon.